Okay, we're gonna rate these different snack crates. So we have one Hawaiian one and I believe one Mexican one, or?
I honestly do not know what it
remember.
is, but I'm really excited to see what's in the box.
Yeah, me too.
Let's just go. Get it? Ah, man. Look at you. Oh, snap. What'd you get? Oh, my God.
So this is what it opens up to.
Oh, I already know which one I got.
Or do I? Oh, you got Hawaiian.
Wow.
I got Colombia.
So,
I got a Colombia.
we have the Snackcrate Hawaii. On the back it says Snack Aloha.
Tingo, tingo, tango.
And, oh, it's cool. It gives you different snack packs and things like that in here.
Same, it gives you little crosswords. Okay, all right, let's go. Let's open this.
Oh my God.
This has a little flag, Okay, Jeff, just let's go through it. Come on. It's taking too dang long.
Let's go, guys. Oh
Yay.
my God. Oh my God.
Oh yeah, they give the good stuff.
Yes, they did. These are the things that I've been eating at work.
I know, those are the best. Those chips.
These right here. Oh my God,
those sweet onion?
these are my favorite.
Wow, they give you a lot of different things.
So, you want to go ahead and tell you what you got in your box first?
Yeah, I got these Tostacos. This is Colombian. Got little coffee candies. La Niña. Oh wait, this is La Niña the brand. These are Plátano Natural. Plátano Natural. So it's like bananas. These are lemon flavored. It's sabor limon.
This is like coconuts.
I don't know what that is. It looks like jicama or potatoes. Might be potato chips. Honestly, I don't know. These are Tocinetas limon. It's lemon bacon chips. Oh my God.
That'd be something to try.
These are Sebaround. Grilled cheese baked, not fried.
Oh my God.
Oh, we got a Postobon. It's a soda. Looks like Coke, but it's probably like a strawberry drink or something.
It says apple on it, no?
Oh yeah, apple manzana, apple flavor, yeah. These are my favorite candies.
Yes.
These are my favorite candies. They're called Loquinho.
Are amazing.
We got more plátanos. We got some more plantinitos. I'm saying things wrong, so judge me all you want. Some gummy candies. They're like orange flavor. We got some. Oh, this is probably nuts because it has protein. It's. I can't read it. It's in the wrong language. I don't know what this is, but they look really good. Oh, I know what these are. It's kind of like those Chico sticks.
Ooh.
This is like the Chico sticks, it looks like. They're little puffs.
Those are my favorite.
These are all mine. These are all mine.
Oh, mango.
This one's good. Oh my God, this box is stacked. This is more of the gummies with little octopi. More of these handmade. They're yellow marbles. Oh, it's cheese snacks. More cheese snacks. Now we're getting down to the chocolate. Oh my God, look at it. This shit just keeps coming.
I am in love right now.
More chocolate, a brownie, a bagged brownie. These are chocolate wafers. Probably better because it's not ours. I don't know what these are, but they look like Twix or like candies.
Kit Kats.
This is Jeff's favorite. It looks like coconut cover or chocolate covered coconut.
So you.
Yeah, it's just a whole bunch of different chocolates. We got more coffee candy in here, and then we got these little milk caramel with coconuts. These are actually really good. I've had these before. These are delicious.
Those look so
I know.
good.
This box is stacked. What about yours?
Alright, let's go ahead and get into mine. So, we have the Hawaiian brand sweet Maui onion rings. These are amazing. We have the Hawaiian kettle style potato chips, jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
These are actually one of my favorites. I've had these before.
Who hasn't?
So good. We have Hawaii Island sweet potato chips, which I don't think I'm gonna be trying out. I'm not a big fan, but
I'm not a big sweet potato.
yeah.
Oh, those are bomb.
These right here are freaking amazing. These are the Hawaiian luau barbecue sweet and spicy chips. So good. We have our Maui style Maui onion potato chips right there.
Hawaiian biscuits.
Hawaiian biscuits, Liki Lau or Liki Cow. These look yummy. Hawaiian cookies, candy bead. And they have sprinkles on them, so you already know.
What is it? Oh,
These look good. Look at them.
Oh yeah, these are mine.
We have pineapple sticks, which kind of remind me of the
Pokey?
Pokey sticks. Is that what they're called? Pokey sticks.
But the Pokey sticks have the cream on the outside. I don't think that has cream on it. I mean, we don't know. We haven't opened it yet.
What is this? We have a Maui bar, a Wowie, Maui's candy bar, milk chocolate, Kona coffee, caramel.
Oh, I get these all the time at the Asian market. These are so good. They're like little rice cakes.
Those look amazing.
These are so good. Oh, get that away from me.
We have a
Oh my god.
plum candy. What's this?
You will love that. That is so sweet. It's like and in the middle it has like a spicy candy.
Oh, that.
It's making my mouth water. It's super sweet.
That looks like
a saladito.
Yeah, I was just
That's
about
what
to
it
say
is.
that. I was just about to say that. Oh my god.
It's super sweet though. It's a different taste. You have to get used to it.
It's a white rabbit. I don't know what that is, but we'll definitely try it out and see. We have the mochi chocolate covered Japanese rice crackers.
That sounds good.
Rice crackers.
Oh heck no! You guys can have all this. Tuna jerky.
This is the Kamana jerky, tuna jerky, as you guys see there. That, I don't know how that'll work out. We have, I don't know what this is, it doesn't really have a name on it, but it's made in Hawaii. Piaka, kind of looks like a rice cookie or a cookie.
It looks like a Sandy's cookie, pecan cookie.
Then we have a Mac Nut Crunch, milk chocolate covered macadamias and crisp rice.
Oh, that's mine.
That looks amazing. We have a Maui Caramax, has caramel and macadamians covered in milk chocolate.
My mouth is watering.
Yes, my mouth is so watery right now.
Oh, those are so good. That's with lychee or lychee. It's our lihing mui rainbow belts. These are so good. There's like a spicy. It's just like a spicy belt, but it's the Hawaiian flavor. Oh
my god. Then we have some more plum candies.
That you're gonna absolutely love.
We have a Kona Crunch, chocolate covered macadamia nuts with Rice Crisp.
This one?
2 pieces in there, so we can both have one each. Kind of looks like like a crunch bar.
Yeah.
All right, and
oh, we all had these.
yeah, Leaky Lee Hai Chu. Everybody's had these in the past.
But I don't know if I've had leaky lee.
Yeah, I don't know what that flavor is, but
Let me see.
kind of looks like a mango.
Lili koi.
Oh.
Lili koi. I don't know what that flavor is though. I'm not.
We'll try those out definitely. And the last one is pineapple haichu. Let's see those. A couple more white rabbits, kind of like Tootsie Rolls. We have another caramel corn Hawaiian style chocolate popcorn. And And last but not least, we have a
Lilikoi Passion.
Hawaiian
it's a passion
Sun.
fruit drink. So that's probably what this is. This is passion fruit then. But that does that look like a passion fruit?
No. But we're gonna have to put this on ice. And
Which one do you guys like more? The Colombian box or the Hawaiian box? I like the Hawaiian as well.
Hawaiian looks amazing, but I'm a
I
fan.
mean, this is before I've tried everything, because once I try everything, then we'll see if I did go along with the Hawaiian.
There's a little bit of both in each box. A little bit for everybody. The candies that are in this box and the Colombian box are going to be amazing. My mouth's already watery.
Me too.
The chips. Go ahead.
The chips, the chocolate covered macadamia nuts, it's like gold to me.
Oh my god.
We'll see.
My mouth is ready to eat.
Yeah. Same.
The Snackcrate boxes, first one was I think $30. You get a discount for their first box, and then the rest of the boxes thereafter are $50 each. You get to sometimes choose what you want to get. So
I think we chose the Hawaiian one and the Colombian one was the random.
the random one, there you go. We'll leave a link down in the description below if you guys want to check the link out. We are in no way affiliated with Snackcrate, but we are going to tear this box up.